Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. President, Management Association of Pakistan, members of the Executive Committee, distinguished business leaders, management professionals, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It's a true honor for me to be here today at the 25th Annual Convention of the Management Association of Pakistan, and I extend my warmest congratulations to MAP for 6 decades of unwavering commitment to professional excellence in Pakistan. Karachi, the economic heart of Pakistan and the pride of Sindh, is the perfect stage for this convention. The energy and intellect gathered in this room today, the visionaries, the innovators, the leaders, represent the very engine of our province's growth. Ladies and gentlemen, we stand at a critical juncture in our national journey. The challenges we face, be they economic, infrastructural, or environmental, demand more than just political will, they demand vision and excellence. In a globalized world, competition is fierce. Simply having resources is no longer enough. The deciding factor for success, for sustained progress, is the quality of our human capital and the efficiency of our systems. This is where the work of the Management Association of Pakistan becomes invaluable. For years, MAP has championed the cause of management excellence and training, turning abstract ideas into practical skills. The management excellence training sessions you conduct are not just courses, they are crucial for future leadership. They equip our professionals from young entrepreneurs to seasoned executives with the modern tools of governance, strategic planning, and ethical leadership required to compete on an international stage. MAP's focus on structured, theme-based conventions, workshops, and certifications has created continuous learning culture that benefits every sector from manufacturing and finance to health and education. You are not just building better managers, you are building a more resilient, more competitive Sindh and a more resilient and more competitive Pakistan. The Sindh government recognizes that a robust economy is built on twin pillars of infrastructure and skilled manpower. On the infrastructure front, we are aggressively investing in key areas. We are expanding our transport network, including the successful implementation and planned expansion of our bus rapid transit system. We are addressing Karachi's vital needs for water, pushing for the timely completion of crucial projects like K4 water supply scheme. We are focusing on sustainable urban development to make our cities smarter, cleaner, and more livable for our citizens. And more importantly, we have made huge investments in the health sector of the province. However, all these projects and initiatives require a generation of highly trained, ethical, and forward-looking managers. This is where the public and private sector must converge. My government's vision is to transform Sindh into a knowledge-based, skill-driven economy. We are committed to fostering a climate where merit and professional competence are the only standards for success. We are already working through our specialized bodies such as the Sindh Technical Educational and Vocational Training Authority and the various government training institutes to uplift the standard of vocational and technical training, but the corporate and public sectors are distinct, and the specialized high-level training provided by an apex body like MAP is essential to bridge the skill gap at the executive level. Today, at this landmark 25th convention, I am happy to say that the government of Sindh will actively support MAP's mission to drive management excellence across the province. I am pleased to note that tomorrow MAP is organizing a training workshop for senior officers of the Sindh government. Your expertise in real-world management is precisely what our government officers need. The importance of events like this convention cannot be overstated. These are vital forums for networking, idea generation, and policy discussion. To the leaders in this room, you are the torch bearers of Pakistan's economic future. The theme of this convention and the spirit of your work reminds us that leadership is not just about giving orders. It is about enabling potential, fostering innovation, and upholding integrity. As the Chief Minister of Sindh, I assure you that my government is working tirelessly to create an environment where ease of doing business is paramount, security and stability are guaranteed, and professional excellence is rewarded. The journey ahead requires us to move beyond conventional thinking. We must embrace digital transformation, prioritize sustainable practices, and commit to social responsibility. These are principles that a strong ethical management framework instills. The Management Association of Pakistan has proven its role as a powerful force for good. We applaud your past achievements and wholeheartedly endorse your future endeavors. Let us work together, the government and the management community, to build Sindh that is a model of economic dynamism, good governance, and professional excellence for the entire nation. I thank the Management Association of Pakistan for inviting me here today at this landmark 25th convention. I commit my fullest support on behalf of the Government of Sindh to the Management Association of Pakistan, and I wish the delegates here today a very successful convention. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.